Smisha Mirren Buchanan. I'm Mirren Buchanan. I'm a furach in Glasgow, cútear mo bhreanad anti agus mo chat hócaí. I'm studying Gaelic and English linguistics at Glasgow University and have started working in Gaelic media. Bí mé Jane of Shaitri. I really like the creative process of making jewellery from these rings, beads and wires. I sell these online. Sin fan learngaelic.scot. Sauna inar Thurso and in Gaelic a ha maple hooves. When the mod was in Thurso, it spurred me and my friends to play traditional music, and I started learning Gaelic. Raibh me Gaelic do lochiúnta cís in ard scoil, agus thosaigh me an sin. Still crochet cúteach. I find it quite a mindful activity. I've only recently started, but I love it, especially as I have an interest in sustainability and stopping fast fashion. When I was at university, I was diagnosed with functional neurological disorder, which sometimes presents itself as a fit or spasms or limb weakness. Crochet helps me because it reduces anxiety, which is the main cause of fits for me. Learngaelic.scot. I enjoy communicating in Gaelic with my friends and have taught children Gaelic. Maybe I can include Gaelic in my crafts.